Hello guys, hello everybody. So today I would like to write a short video about actually completely new project which is the not that long time on the market, and in my opinion this is a project which has respect and make attention. That's actually first blockchain found, guys. So, and the five reasons why you need to be make attention and make investment into this project. Okay, basically, on my opinion, guys. Okay, just only on my opinion. The first of all, this is actually a project where is work people, and even I know these people not even 1 day or 2 days. Like I know them a long time. So, and these people has like actually respect for me, and always when they are working in MLM, just multi-level marketing, they are worried about each customers, like, and just worried how they're going to be make money. So like, and that's is very important for me. That's the first important things. The second one is the international development of Asian, Europe, and Saudi Arabia and Africa. Just actually international, worldwide development of the project. So the third thing is very important. That's guys of this project of First Blockchain Foundation fund, they have a license actually, and they are spend a huge amount of the money on the marketing of the advertise. So that's very important things as well. So like so the actually developers thinking how to make most like most brightest and most longest working project wherever they can do that. Okay, so another thing, so you're gonna be working, make your extra like your income from passive income. Marketing plan, on my opinion, is very generous. It's like from 15 up to 25% a month. So like another thing, number 5 is the company actually now is very popular. The most company MLM traditional classic company now is mix up all with the cryptocurrency, with the trading, mining, and cryptocurrency. So this company actually they are trading on the cryptocurrency, trading cryptocurrency on the trade market. Another thing, they make a full functionation of the ICO from the start, from the beginning up to the end. And another third thing, they make mining as well. So that's actually a new generation of project which are like now is very popular, and the most project try to make mixed with the all about the cryptocurrency. So, and and there is you're gonna be how to look the main page, guys. So you're gonna be check the all information there. There is news about us, mission history, goals, whatever, trading, mining, ISO. That's what they talk about, the startups as well. You're gonna be check the roadmap, guys. So you're gonna be choose two languages. That's gonna be English and Chinese. So the project are really fresh, guys, on my opinion. So like that need to be make attention, and I'm gonna be develop that project soon, and just stay with that project. So if you like this video, guys, down below this video I leave all links on that project, and even how to find me, add me on Facebook, Twitter, just write me, and just I'm so very appreciate if you watch this video up to the end. Thank you very much. Bye bye, good luck.